Hello friends, so I'm back with new video for you. This is for the people who generally trade. So I have given you morning setup in earlier videos, and now I'm kind of giving you a setup for the people who are generally trading in the second half of market, right? So it's a very simple setup. You don't have to do much. Okay, only thing what you have to do is you have to go to the 15-minute chart. Okay, and what you have to do, you have to just put the fib levels. Okay, fib levels from the first 9:15 candle, okay, till 10:15 candle. So 10:15 is basically here. Okay, the highs and lows you have to just mark it. Okay, and then you can go back to your 1 minute, 3 minute, whatever charts, right? Okay, and then you just have to see what all things you are getting. Okay, so here now on the Friday markets were bullish, right? So even if you have missed the earlier trade or whatever it is, you can get one is after 1 hour candle. Okay, it has given exactly a retracement. Okay, this is based on a simple funda that generally in a first 60 minutes to 90 minutes you will have either the top or the bottom which is made. Okay, so if you see here, now it is exactly on the top, it has retraced. Where is your buying opportunity? It is only because it was a bullish market, the buying opportunity was exactly on the 745 levels, right? So after 745, first target will be 826 and second target will be 907. So exactly it has achieved. After that it has come back on the retracement again on the same swing level, right? The first hour 1 hour swing. Okay, then it has again gone back to the same 907. Then again it has come back. So it is basically played in the sideways. Now I'll show you something which is very, very interesting. Okay, now most of you would not kind of captured that Thursday move, right? How I captured that Thursday move was basically again the 1 hour candle, right? So 9:15 to 10:15. Okay, so whatever high or low I'm getting, okay, so this is my high or low. Okay, now you observe, okay, markets were bearish only. Now here after 1 hour it has given the retracement. Generally after 1 hour you will have a reversal retracement which will come. Okay, after that if you see, observe here, you are getting a reversal again, right? And then it is coming back on to the bottom. Again it has gone back exactly to the same level. Okay, then it has given the breakdown, right? So it was a negative market continuously, right? Now observe this particular thing. Exactly on the support level you have got the hammer, right? So here if you would have bought call, it would have been 24,500 call, which was around 10 rupees. Okay, so 10 rupees it has gone to 150 rupees. Okay, and exactly if you observe the target, okay, it was quite volatile, but you exactly if you see, this is the place. Now here you don't have to buy anything because it was already 3 o'clock. Okay, I'll show you some more examples. Okay, so this one was a low 9:15, 10:15. Okay, so 10:15 high we have got it here. Okay, after that it has still given a bullish candle. Okay, now look at the reversal. The reversal exactly came from 938 levels. It has come down, it has taken the support again, gave a bounce, and after that here you got a very good move, which is first target was around this level, right? And exactly see the bottom where exactly it started. It has exactly gone again from the same levels. It has gone, given the bounce, okay, and played in that same range, right? Another example, few more examples I just wanted to take. So 10:15. Okay, so this is around that bottom. Okay, now here if you look at 10 o'clock, one reversal you get, 10:15 you get one reversal. Okay, reversal comes. Okay, if at all it is a bearish market, it will continue the trend. Okay, it exactly continued the trend and exactly see the bottom, right? So here it has not taken any support, so there is no entry. Okay, here we got, if you would have seen my liquidity video, here we got one negative candle, and after that it is reversal. So if you are getting 1 or 2 trades out of this also, which is more than enough, and especially people who are doing scalping, you will get very good momentum in these kind of scenarios, right? So see here again, similar kind of thing, 10 o'clock, 10:15. So this one was basically a high. Okay, as I told you, it will, after 10:15 it will give you a retracement, gave a bounce. After that it has become negative, continuously it is negative. Here also, if you take look at the bottom, exactly done on the fib levels, right? So now fib levels, what I have done is, basically I'll show you the settings. I have taken the plus and minus both sides, right? So it becomes easier for me. I don't have to consider from bottom to top or top to bottom. I have to take, I have both the levels. Okay, and the important levels which I have been marking is 0.618, 0.5 and 0.382. Okay, and the same replica I have done for 1.382, 1.5, 1.618. Okay, then the second this thing is, again same thing I have repeated till almost 4.618. okay, the bigger it is, you will get that kind of trend. Okay, so here we will see where exactly it has gone. Okay, so around 10:15, 10:15, 10:15. Okay, so this one was a bottom basically for us. Okay, after that market has become bullish. Generally I told you 10:15 you will have a reversal kind of trade, either reversal or the momentum. Okay, after that if you take the trade here also, okay, you would have captured this move. After that again negative movement. Okay, exactly it has come to the bottom, again it has given the breakout, and after that this breakout it has just continued towards the 2.618. okay, so this is how it is working. You can test these levels in the live market and then decide to take the trades basis on this. Okay, hope you like this video. Also, share it with your friends and family. If you if you do that, it would be helpful for me. Okay, thank you guys.